Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you who are the rare villagers in LEGO Fortnite. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So rare villagers, as the name suggests, are rarer than normal villagers and usually come with cool abilities. They can perform better tasks for your village, like collecting more challenging resources compared to regular villagers, like for example wood. So these special villagers can show up in different ways. Sometimes they can randomly appear in your village, but the chances are kinda low. So you can increase the odds by trading your items with merchants, like using villager potions and finding them in trading posts or in rare biomes. So for instance, in the mountains you can find a yeti. So if you encounter one outside your village, ask them to explore, then guide them back into your village. Now they might be picky, so make sure that your base is upgraded to a certain level before they agree to join. Now don't worry if your base isn't ready, they'll wait until it's actually upgraded to the right level, and if they can't join immediately, they'll let you know the requirements. So upgrade your village accordingly, and these rare villagers can be valuable assets. So if you find one, bring them back, meet the requirements, and welcome them to your village. They'll be a great asset or a great help for you on your playthrough. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.